Welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video is going to be about what is in my current handbag. I'm going to take you on a little tour of what I carry around with me in the handbag that I am currently carrying. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If that's something that interests you, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also hit that like button and also hit that bell's notification so that you will never miss an upload from me. Also, make sure you are following me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. So make sure you follow me there so you can see how I style my handbags. And if you have any questions, you can DM me. You can leave comments. We can be friends on Instagram while we're also friends here on YouTube. So yes, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. So my current handbag that I am currently carrying is the Tote Bag by Marc Jacobs, and I absolutely love this bag. This bag is in the size mini. I was contemplating between the mini or small, but I'm very happy that I went ahead and went with the mini handbag. And the reason why this is my current handbag right now is because here in Georgia, we've been having crazy weather, so it's been raining. So I just thought, like, instead of bringing out like my Louis Vuittons and my Gucci's and messing them up in the rain, especially like you don't want to carry your Louis Vuitton out in the rain, you don't want to damage the canvas, you don't want to damage the vachetta, you just want to take good care of your Louis Vuitton bag. So I decided to go ahead and carry this the Tote Bag by Marc Jacobs. I love this bag. This bag is made out of this like cloth like material, but at the same time, like, it held up in our crazy weather we've been having these past few days. I like it because it gives your outfits a very like casual, like contemporary look, which I really do appreciate and I really like. And just the fact that it has the tote bag written on the front, it just gives it this extra like edgy, like contemporary vibe that I really like. I've been rocking sweats and a raincoat recently. Also, I decided to carry this bag too because I took a quick road trip to the country to visit some family for the new year. So I wanted to take this because instead of carrying just only my essentials, I was carrying just a little bit extra. So this is the front of the bag and this is the back of the bag. It does come with an adjustable shoulder strap that you can take on and off. It's detachable and adjustable, or you can just wear it as a top handle bag, and it does zip up. The bag zips up, and when it's zipped up, it looks just like this. The bag has silver detailing, and it also has a black zipper. So yeah, this bag is very simple. This bag does pick up lint. Like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but if that is something that you don't like, the bag does pick up lint, but it doesn't bother me just because this is just kind of like my just like a little tote, you know. But I don't mind the whole it picking up lint, but if that's something that bothers you, then that's just something to consider. Also in here, I don't have any Louis Vuitton small leather goods in here, and it's because we've been having bad weather, and I have a tendency to, like, once my bag is unzipped, it stays unzipped. And since the weather has been kind of like not that great, I decided that I was gonna just not use anything Louis Vuitton, anything. The only thing Saint Laurent in here is my card holder, but as far as like vachetta, canvas, all of that stayed in the house because I didn't want to damage it or whatnot. So the first thing that is inside of my Marc Jacobs bag are my sunglasses. So this is a Key Australia case, but I don't have my Key Australian sunglasses in here. It was just like a random case that I had laying around here. And in there I have my sunglasses that are from Amazon, which I really like. Like, these are the perfect sunglasses. They're inexpensive, they're great, and if you lose them, it's not like you're losing Ray-Bans. Next, I have my actual glasses. Yes, your girl wears glasses. And these are my glasses. They're from Gucci. I really like these glasses because they're like literally the best prescription that I have, and I need them, especially at night. So yeah, I just have my glasses. Since I was traveling, I'm also carrying my Nintendo Switch Lite. I play Animal Crossing. I love building an island. It's great. I'm still working on my island. My island is not where I want it to be, but I need to start back looking up island inspiration on Instagram. So yes, I carry my Nintendo Switch Lite to play Animal Crossing to keep myself busy. Next, I have my cell phone. I have the iPhone 10. Yeah, it's just a regular iPhone 10. No rhyme or reason. Next, I have my YSL card holder. It just keeps my license, credit cards. I have a couple of bills in the middle pocket right here. But yes, my YSL card holder. I have some hand wipes. These are the Perel hand sanitizing wipes. I really, really like these. I got these from a local black-owned pharmacy here in Georgia, and I really like these hand wipes. So, plus you gotta stay sanitized. Next, I have this little Clinique makeup pouch. And this is a Clinique makeup pouch, and in this makeup pouch, I keep gum. Always gotta have some gum, and I also have some hand sanitizer. And then the last thing I have in this little pouch is some Jergens hand cream. Just to keep my hands moisturized, because you know we're in these winter months and the cold is harsh on our skin. It's very harsh. So that's everything I have in this little makeup pouch. I have 3 lip balms. I have 2 Fenty lip glosses, you know. So I have this Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and then I also have this Kiehl's lip balm, which I really, really like. The Kiehl's lip balm literally feels like Vaseline in a tube with a hint of peppermint. And it's so moisturizing, and it lasts a really long time, and I love it. And then I have some candy in here. I like these Mamba candies. Like, they're really good. To me, they taste like high chews. If anybody eat high chews, y'all know. These taste like high chews. Actually, they taste like high chews. If High Chews and Starburst had a baby, these are these candies, and they're not really sweet. They're not overly sweet, and I think that's why I like them. I don't really care for overly sweet things, but these candies are delicious. I also have a Neutrogena face makeup wipe in here, because sometimes, ladies, we be having our makeup on a little too long, and we're just ready to take it off. So I never leave the house without a makeup wipe, ever. Even if I don't have makeup on, it's just nice to like wipe your face down. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but I like that. And I have a YSL perfume, which is the Black Opium Saint Laurent. So my bag was a little like unorganized. My bags are usually not this unorganized, but because I couldn't take my usual Louis Vuitton SOGs, my bag was a little destructive, obviously. But just from me carrying this bag, like, honestly, really like this bag. I think it's completely worth it. It's a contemporary brand, so if you want something that's like luxury, but you don't want you don't want to break the bank, you can opt for this piece. And it's a really great bag. It's like, it holds its shape, it's sturdy, it's made out of good material, so it's just really bomb, and it's super contemporary, it's super edgy. It just elevates your outfits in a different way that some bags can and cannot. But I really, really like it. And also, Marc Jacobs comes with a lot of different strap options, so you can always personalize the bag and make it your own. You can always add charms and that sort of thing. But yeah, the bag comes in 3 sizes: mini, small, and then there's a larger size just called the Traveler Tote. The small, if you're looking for a great work bag, the small would be a great work bag, because you can put like an average size laptop, iPad, Kindle, phone, you know, like your work essentials. And then the larger tote is almost a weekender bag, but I mean, you can use that as like a shopper bag to like put all your shopping bags in when you're at the mall, to have it in one large bag. A weekender bag, it could be a work bag, it could be like your everyday bag if you need something that big. But these are great bags. They come in several different colors. You can get them in the desert gold, which is like this nice yellow, like a muted mustard yellow color. It comes in slate, which to me looks more khaki, like a more like washed out khaki. Then there's the light blue, and it's kind of like a playful play on, or a playful blue. It kind of looks like denim online, but it's not denim, like that really washed denim, but it's a light blue color. And then they also have a cheetah tote, so if you're like gung-ho about cheetah leopard print, they have that as well. But yeah, this is a great handbag, and yes, you got to see what I am currently carrying. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, also like my video, and also hit that bell notification so that you'll never miss an upload. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury, so we can be friends on there and show your girl some love. So until next time, my loves, I'll see you later. Bye.